loves, we're starting off with these 7 items: alcohol, piece of paper towel, nail scissors, clipper, nail stick buffer, and press-on nails. To achieve long-lasting nails, we're going to do this at night, right before bed. Hands should avoid any type of product including oils, lotion, and water. Now my nails are long, so we're going to clip them all off, making them short and clean. Also, these press-ons are clear and will reflect much better without showing long nails underneath. Once they've been clipped, we're going to wash our hands with warm water, making sure to scrub them to take any junk out from when we clipped our nails. A trick I always do is I always lay out my nails before application. This will make it much easier when we're applying our nails. Once our nails have been picked out, we're going to put them to the side and we're going to grab our cuticle stick. And boy, do I love a cuticle stick. I let you on some little secrets in my other videos. Anyways, we're going to push the cuticle back. Remember, they should be soft from washing from earlier. Remember, our cuticles are here to protect our nails from free radicals and bacteria from entering our body. So just push them back, no cutting. That way, there's more space for our press-ons. Now for buffing. This is a really important step. Think of this as brushing your teeth. It's brightening, it's cleansing, and it gets rid of any harsh ridges. Now we'll grab those scissors from earlier that we did not use to cut our cuticles, and we're going to use that to cut that piece of paper towel into 10 little pieces, making sure that they're nice and tiny. This is what we're going to use to clean our nails with the alcohol. Let me know in the comments, what are your favorite nail tips? And don't forget to like and subscribe so I can give you guys more girly content. Now we'll put alcohol on each individual paper. Then we'll grab each little piece and we're going to use it to clean our nails, making sure to throw each one away and using a brand new one for each nail. Now usually nail glues have a little top that you can poke a hole in, but this one didn't have one. So we're going to grab our scissors from earlier and we're going to poke a little hole in it. Now we'll grab our glue and we're going to do a thin layer all across our nail. Then we'll grab our fake nail and we're going to put also to a thin layer, making sure not to put too much at the top because then our hands will stick. And then we're going to put it at an angle and we're going to press down for 30 seconds. I know some people say 10 to 20, but 30 seconds is ideal if we want our nails to be long lasting. Now we'll repeat this process with each individual nail. And voila, you have beautiful and glamorous nails that you achieved with the press-ons. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah!